Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for the S&P 500. Back in action this week. Took last weekend off for Easter. Excited to be back trading as markets seem to be picking up a little bit. If you want to stay subscribed to all of our videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button where we talk about all kinds of stuff. All right, weekly chart here for S&P 500. Strong bullish candles the last couple weeks, right? So my sentiment is bullish. We have some resistance ahead at the 2950 to 3000 level. Let's go ahead and look at that. So after our big sell-off a few weeks ago, we had, this huge bullish candle essentially helped us complete that V action, right? It's not quite complete. What we need to see now is a break above 2950 to 3000 to be a complete reversal, if you will. So that's what we're really waiting on. However, the fact that we're now above 2750 is also very encouraging. Even if prices were to come back down a little bit, we've got some good support now at 2600. So overall, that's good. That's good for the markets. Couple things we need to prove first. Moving below the 20-week moving average. Okay. So the fast moving average, we're still moving below that. So, we see back here historically, anytime we have a big sell-off, price moves below that, and really to become back in the bulls, we need to prove, that's one of the things we need to prove. So first we need to prove a higher high, right? So we need prices to close above, strongly weekly candles close and hold above this 2950 to 3000 level. That puts us on top of this old resistance. If we can't do that, if the markets don't do that, then we might see another miniature sell-off, right? We'll call it a mini sell-off, and then we could range trade between 2775 and the 3000 mark. But overall, still bullish as long as 2580 holds. Okay, so we see there's support at 2600, 2580 range. That's going to be where prices stalled. And then we had a strong bullish candle moving above, and that price range was also tested and proved as support all the way through 2018. Right? So, okay, let's go ahead and go daily for a smaller view. Here we go. Nice little gap here. Price is really rocketed on Friday, so good chance we'll see sustained gains. We are moving well ahead of the daily moving average now, which is fine. Right, we want that, but remember that every time price moves far ahead of the moving average, eventually it'll come back and catch up. So that'll either happen one of two ways. Price will just move sideways for a bit until the moving average catches up, or price will come back down and do a touch, and that's our next buy signal. But here we talk about more this resistance at the 3000 mark. So the reason we say that is because all through 2018 here, it's 2019, right? That's where prices stalled, moved over a little bit, then came back down below. So that could cap our gains. In the meantime, if we see just more and more buying, it pushes back above here, then we're really talking about returning to that bull stance. I am curious. Let's go ahead and throw a Fibonacci retracement tool on here and see where the numbers pan out for fib retracements. So we're going to take from the most recent high, go down to your most recent low, and we see price is just shy of the 61.8, the golden ratio, Fibonacci's golden ratio, which just so happens to be about 2950. So one thing that could happen is price could go here and then we'll have another sell-off. So traders who bought short-term, bought the bounce just to recoup some losses from back here, this would be their next sell-off point. In order to push us through that, if we have enough buying, then we can continue this trend. We'll call it the hourly. And that's our short-term uptrend right there. So as long as prices stay this week above 27.75, we are bullish. We're going to test that 61.8 Fibonacci line here in the next couple of days, I would imagine. We need to break through that to go back on bull for the S&P 500. All right, everyone, have a great week. I hope you are very proud.